Hello all, today in this video we are going to go show and demo video for watermark image. For that we are choosing two images. So initially as we do in every code, we are importing the libraries which we needed like NumPy, Panda, CV2 and Matplotlib. Then we are first reading our initial image, that is the input image. This image is not the secret image. The secret image is also known as the watermark image. This image will be displayed, but at the front the watermark image will be displayed in the background. It will not be visible, it will invisible. So we are going to convert it into RGB. For that we are using the second command. Then we are also resizing it to 500 to 400 pixel. The other image which will be choosing, we have to resize in the same size. If you are choosing some other size, means the same size you have to choose with the other image also. Then we are just showing the image. So this is the image which we have made as the input image, and this image is going to make our watermark image to invisible stage. Then we are getting the shape of the image. So it's a 3D image. Already we gave an size as 400 to 500. Since it is a 3D image, you can notice that the 400 into 500 into 3. Then we are getting our watermark image, that is which is to be set invisible. So for that also we are doing the same processing as we did for the original image, which is this child image. Then we are that image we are calling as logo image. Then we are converting it into RGB. Then we are also resizing it into 500 to 400. Then we are making to show it, and we are giving a point as t is equal to 5. So now we are giving some this original image, that is the first image we are giving an byte as 2, the watermark image as 6, and then we are adding both the image, that is the initial image and the image which we are going to make it as watermark or an invisible image, and then we are showing the watermark image. So this is the image with watermark. You can notice that both images are merged, but we can see only the first image. Then here we have given greater 6 for watermark. To in order to re, is regenerate this watermark, what we have to do the means we have to give this less of 6. In that case the watermark will be regenerated. So this is the regenerated watermark image which we set as invisible. So this is the code for watermarking. We are just providing a simple code. So if you are interested in this video means or interested to know any such video means please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.